This collection is really focused on reducing inflammation, detoxing, anti-aging, and repairing damaged skin. This is our Glow Oil, one of our best-selling products. I love this daily face oil. It's jam-packed with antioxidants, with really hydrating oils and plant extracts. It has full spectrum CBD in it, and CBD works with your body to reduce inflammation. Inflammation causes things like redness and blemishes and acne. The Glow Oil is an amazing, deeply hydrating daily face oil, and it has some amazing ingredients in it, things like rose oil, licorice root, hibiscus, goji berry, astragalus. It does everything from soothe the skin and calm the skin to even skin tone and anti-age. You use a few drops in the morning after doing a deep clean, and you can see it has a little shimmer to it and adds a deep hydration and dewy glow to the skin and to the texture. You know, there's a misconception that oils actually clog the pores, but CBD is a really small molecule, so it goes deep into the skin and it actually works all around to heal the skin on a deep level. This is a great oil for all skin types and all skin issues. Our Daily Renew Face Moisturizer is a daily face cream which is jam-packed with a ton of nutrients. It has full spectrum CBD. It really helps to tone, to firm, and promote cellular regeneration. It has hydrolyzed collagen in it, which gets rid of those little fine lines and wrinkles. So this is great for skin that is aging, that is dry, or that's dull. It also is jam-packed with amazing ingredients like niacinamide, angelica root, astragalus, hibiscus, and licorice root. This is our rose quartz Gua Sha. It is one of our customer favorites. It pairs really well with any of our oils, and the Gua Sha has actually been used for 700 years in Eastern medicine as a lymphatic drain. It works to detox the skin, to promote microcirculation. It gets rid of that morning puffiness. It's just amazing at slimming and toning the face. For best results, to really see a difference in puffiness and fine lines in the face, we recommend using it 1 to 2 times a day, and you're gonna wanna do 3 to 8 passes in each area of the face to really see best results.